In this video, I will solve JEE Advanced 2023 Paper 2, question number 8. Suppose A is equal to this expression, B is equal to this expression, C is equal to this expression. We suppose now this is graph of y is equal to e to the power x. This graph always remain above x-axis. This graph always remain above x-axis. Therefore, at any point on this graph, y coordinate will be positive. Y coordinate will be positive. That means value of e to the power x will be positive for all x from minus infinity to plus infinity. E to the power x is always positive for all real number x. Now we suppose p is equal to this. When we put any real number in place of x, here, then we get some another real number p. Therefore, e to the power this expression, this lengthy expression will be equal to e to the power p, and we know that when we put any number in power over e, result is always positive. Therefore, e to the power this expression will be positive. That means this will be positive. That means a will be positive for all real value of x. This is graph of y is equal to tan inverse x. When x coordinate is positive, graph is above, that means y coordinate on the graph is positive, that means tan inverse x is positive. When x is positive, tan inverse x is positive. Positive times positive will be positive, and positive number to the power 2023 will be positive. And when we add 1 with this positive number, we get some positive number. That means this is equal to b is positive when x is positive. Similarly, when x is negative, then tan inverse x is negative, and negative times negative will be positive, and positive number to the power 2023 will be positive. 1 plus positive will be positive. That means b will be positive when x is negative. When x coordinate is 0, graph passes through origin, that means y coordinate is also 0. That means tan inverse x is also 0. 1 plus 0 times 0, 0, 0 to the power 2023. This will be 0. 1 plus 0 will 1 plus 0 will be positive. That means b will be positive when x is equal to 0. That means b will always be positive whatever real number we put in place of x. When x is positive, tan inverse x is positive. Positive plus positive by 1 plus x square will always be positive. Positive plus positive by positive will be positive. That means C will be positive when x is positive. Similarly, C will be negative when x is negative, and C will be 0 when x is equal to 0. Now we suppose that f dash x is this function. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Therefore, if f dash x is equal to this function, then f dash x will be A by B times C. A is always positive, B is always positive, therefore A by B will always be positive. But C is sometimes positive, sometimes negative, and sometimes 0. C is 0 when x is equal to 0. Therefore, when x coordinate is equal to 0, then C will be equal to 0. That means f dash x will be equal to 0. When x coordinate is positive, then C is positive, and positive number times positive number will be positive. That means f dash x will be positive. Similarly, when x is negative, then f dash x will be negative. Since f dash x is negative in this interval, that means curve goes down in this interval. And since f dash x is positive in this interval, that means curve will go in upward direction in this interval. Therefore, minimum value of fx will be achieved at x is equal to 0. Minimum value of fx will be attained at the point x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Minimum value of fx is at x is equal to 0. In the question, a function fx is given. When we differentiate this function with respect to x, we will get f dash x. To differentiate this, we will use this formula. F dash x will be equal to, we put upper limit x tan inverse x in place of every t, here, here and here, here, here and here, and then differentiate this upper limit with respect to x, write minus sign, and then we put this lower limit 0 in place of every t, here, here and here, and then differentiate 0 with respect to x. Since d0 by dx will be 0 and 0 times any number will be 0, this is written here, and when we differentiate x tan inverse x with respect to x, we get this. We observe that this f dash x is same as we had written some times ago, and we also had observed then that f dash x changes sign from negative to positive when it passes through the point x is equal to 0, and that means fx will have minimum value at x is equal to 0. Therefore, to get minimum value of fx, we will put 0 in place of x in this function. Therefore, minimum value of fx will be f0. We put 0 in place of x. Then here will also be put 0 in place of x, and we get this. By applying this formula, value of this will be equal to 0. Here any function, but limit of integration same number a to same number a, from 5 to 5 or from 6 to 6 or from 1 crore to 1 crore. If both number are same, value of this will be 0. Therefore, this will be 0. Therefore, minimum value of fx will be 0. Now it is over.